Hello friends and welcome back to my embroidery channel here, and if you are new to here, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and like this video because I'm gonna make this cute little baby panda today. And so now, starting from his ears, I'm just embroidering the satin stitch and making all the details. I know that this gonna be a little time taking, and you will know what the twist is in a few minutes. So just make sure that you are here with me. Just finishing the ear part. Making the details like this. And continuing with the satin one. So guys, it's now the time to embroider the face and his body, and to let you know what the twist is. So today's twist is that I'm gonna fill it up with the lazy daisy stitch. So let's see how it's gonna be. Starting from like the side one, make a loop, bring out the needle from inside the loop and just push it over there. Similarly the another. And this is how I'm gonna fill it up, the whole body, the whole face. Make sure you go according to his face outlines and fill up all the areas. Never mind that it is all with one single color strands. It gonna be look very great. So completing the first outline area, the all over the face. Here I am. Now it's time for the second layer of stitches. That would be next to that outline thing. Here, just make sure your thread do not get entangled, otherwise it will be very hard to get them clean. Just make a loop and bring it out and push the needle over there. So this way I'm just making the lazy daisy stitches all over his face. It's not need that you always go all round over the face. Just make sure that you fill it up in a way that it looks like a fur. If you're enjoying this video with me, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And yeah, here I am. I have just took a little break from the camera and filled up all his body part with the same stitch. And just now it's time to play with the white color. And for the white color I'm using all the 6 strands. And with the same stitch, that is the lazy daisy, just making a loop, bringing out the needle from there and just push it in. This way I'm finishing his stomach part. Now for his paws, I am just using the satin stitch with the white only. For the ears also the satin. Once done, let's complete his eyes. All over the face I use just the satin stitch with the white color. And now it's time to add the details of his nose, his mouth. So I'm just using the simple straight stitches like this. And finish the eyes with a satin stitch. For his paws, I am gonna use a different color. Make small stitches to make his fingers and fill the inside part with the satin stitch. I hope you guys are now liking this panda, and if yes, make sure you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel right now.